Alright guys, let's talk about debit and credit cards. Here's the deal. Debit cards are like digital cash, plain and simple. You swipe and bam, money's gone from your account. No cash, no purchase. It's that easy. Now credit cards, that's where things get spicy. These guys let you borrow money up to a limit. Buy now, pay later. Sounds great, right? But listen up, because this is crucial. If you don't pay that balance in full when the bill hits, you're gonna get slammed with interest. And trust me, that's how people end up in a world of financial pain. So yeah, credit cards can be awesome for building credit and racking up those sweet, sweet rewards, but you gotta be smart about it. Now check this out, prepaid cards. These are like the responsible kids in the card family. Load them up with cash, and once it's gone, it's gone. No debt, no surprises. Just pure budgeting bliss. But here's where it gets wild. Charge cards. These are like the VIP passes of money. No preset limit, but, and this is a big but, you gotta pay it all off every month. No exceptions. They usually come with insane rewards, but also some eye-watering annual fees. So yeah, not for everyone. You need to be a financial ninja to make these work. Bottom line, know yourself and your spending habits. Don't just pick a card because it looks cool or your buddy has one. Be smart, do your homework, and choose the one that's going to work for you. And remember, the best card is the one that keeps more money in your pocket at the end of the day.